like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy, LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. Alright, y'all, it was the last couple videos. I did record them a different type of way. Microphone facing front, microphone facing back. And then this one is how I usually record, with the microphone facing to the side, which it picks up best like this, but yeah. And then when I put it to the front, it's kind of like, I don't know. And then a lot of the times I feel that I move back and forth. Like I'm talking to y'all this way and I flip it this way. So I wanted to have like the best all around audio from front to back. I don't know what I could do for that. More so, other than doing like a lav mic, which I could do. Yeah, I could just do a lav mic, but then I have to like hook it to me every time and unhook it, and I don't know. So if a company out there got a lav mic they want me to review, I'll let y'all know what I think of it. You can email us for for business inquiries. You can email us at lschevyride254@gmail.com. We appreciate the opportunity to review your product and put it in front of the people. All right, so with no further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. As y'all know, last video, what we did, we went ahead and we were able to get the harmonic balancer installed, right? So what I've done off camera, just because I wanted to, make more progress, I went back and I did this. So as you can see, I have painted the harmonic balancer. When I was heating up that what do you call it? When I was heating up the harmonic balancer to reinstall it, a lot of that paint kind of got disheveled and kind of thrown left and right and whatnot. So what I decided to do was just tape off behind it. Hopefully I taped it off good enough. I think I did. But yeah, just tape it off behind there and paint it black, so it'll be like a black, red, and silver type deal, and everything like that. So I'm gonna let this dry. Also, I found the nuts that I needed. Hopefully these are gonna work. I mean, they thread on there correctly. I don't know. Maybe they don't look exactly identical to those, but I think they'll work. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully. We'll put a little thread locker on there, make sure they don't come off. That way, that way I have a peace of mind with the thread locker that they're not just gonna back their way out or anything like that. Other than that, we got those. Also got the bolts here. I might have to get like a little washer for that, so that can hold down the oil pickup tube there. Yeah, so That'll hold down. I just have to torque it down to its specs, and then we can go ahead and we can install the oil pan, flip it back over, and pretty much get the oil pan put on, and then flip it over, man, and put these lifters in, lifter trays, and then put the heads back on top. So I'll cut you back on and get that done. What's going on, y'all? This is your boy LSRod254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, LSRod254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is Dare Inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build a Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. Alright, y'all, as you can see, we back. Got the oil pan with the new gasket installed. I still gotta torque it down, but I'm saying it's on there. It's on there, looking good. All bolts threaded. Like I said, just gotta torque them down to specs, and then flip her over. And then we pretty much can drop these lifters in. It's a damn hazard. All this stuff on the ground. So I'm trying to get this stuff put together. And it helps me clean up the garage as well. So like 2 birds, 1 stone type of situation. So I think she looks pretty. She does. She looking pretty good. So I'm gonna get these torqued down and get this motor flipped back over, and then I'll cut y'all back on mine. Alright, y'all, as you can see here, got our lifters. They've been soaking for a minute. Brand new lifter trays. So these are gonna come out. The torque specs on these is like inch pounds or pound inches, or however you say it. So that pretty much is gonna get done hand tight. We'll do one side at a time and call it good. After we get those installed, then we'll work our way on down or on up and get ready to install our heads. So as you can see, the lifters are installed. So pretty much now, next up gonna be the head gaskets and then installing our heads. So I'm gonna sit them on there and then get them torqued down. So as you see her is as she shall be. You dig? She's looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good. So what we'll do from here pretty much is we'll have to come and install the head bolts, and that's pretty much it, man. I do need to, before I actually install them, what I'm gonna do, let me show you. And I was gonna do it tonight, but it done got too late. As you can see, it is dark as shit outside. I'm burning that late night oil. I'm gonna turn the compressor on. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did for the oil pan, and I'm pretty much gonna trace or chase out all of the holes where the bolts go. Once I have them, you know, pretty much oiled up and everything the way that they need to be so that they can have a successful installation, we'll come back and do them in a pattern. They're all over the internet, how you torque them down. It's a sequence. I think you pretty much work your way out from the inside, going outward, and then I believe you do these last, starting in the middle, and then working your way out on those as well. So, I mean, I won't walk y'all through that process, but I will have to pull. Well, I won't necessarily say pull the head. I will take the head off, make sure that everything is good. That way, when we get ready to run them down in there, we won't have no issues, and it will be a beautiful install without any issues, the same way that the oil pan was. So, she coming together, man. She is coming together. Look at her. She looking so good. She looking so good. So that's what it's looking like, y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you turn the bell on so you don't miss when this bad boy get dropped in the cut, dog. Yes, sir. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Go.